What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Mandy back at it again with the White Vans. So see what I can do. People are losing subscribers. If you guys didn't know that, check out Lil Man James. I'll show you his video. We're outside. If you hear a scooter noise, so that's Batman Daniels' channel. Check out my guy Lil Man James. Check out his channel. His Nike boy. He made an intro. It's fresh. His intro is kind of good. Bro, stop stealing my water. No, you're not gonna. No. Boy, no. No. Why would you do that?
What up, YouTubers? Nike Boy here, back with another video. Y'all saw my new intro? Yeah. Just put that one up. Might need a little work, but whatever. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all my new mansion. Herobrine's mansion.
Yeah, so subscribe to him.
Somehow.
Yeah, but just subscribe to him. I just wanted to show you my friend. So, he's going to the 6, so, yeah. If you're going to Bach, yeah. So peace out, and yeah.